What if you could live in a world that transcends the physical boundaries, where time and space are non-issues? Welcome to the Metaverse. Picture an alternate universe, a digital landscape that mirrors and even transcends our physical world, a realm where you can be anyone, do anything, and go anywhere with the click of a button. The Metaverse is no sci-fi fantasy, it's a burgeoning reality that's capturing the world's attention. This isn't just about gaming or social media. The Metaverse holds the potential to transform how we work, learn, and interact. It's as if we're standing on the precipice of a new era, akin to the advent of the internet, but perhaps even more transformative. It's a concept that's been brewing for years, but now it's accelerating at an unprecedented pace. The Metaverse, a digital frontier that may soon become as real as the world we live in. Imagine a world where you can be anyone, do anything, and go anywhere. This is the Metaverse. The Metaverse, a term coined from science fiction, is now becoming our reality. It is a virtual universe, an amalgamation of multiple interconnected digital spaces where people can interact with each other and digital objects in a seemingly real or physical way. Now let's compare this to our physical world. The physical world is bound by natural laws, time, and space. But in the Metaverse, these constraints are virtually non-existent. You can scale Mount Everest in the morning, dive deep into the Mariana Trench in the afternoon, and then dance on the rings of Saturn by evening. All of this without leaving your living room. In our physical world, we are defined by our physicality, our bodies. But in the Metaverse, you can choose your avatar, your digital representation. You can be a three-headed dragon, a floating orb of light, or just a regular human. It's all up to you. Yet the Metaverse and the physical world are not completely separate entities. They intertwine and enhance each other. Augmented reality, a form of Metaverse, overlays digital information onto our physical world, enriching our experiences and interactions. Imagine walking down a street and your glasses show you the history of each building, reviews of the restaurants, and even where to find the nearest public restroom. The Metaverse also offers opportunities to overcome physical world limitations. People with mobility issues can experience environments and activities that may be inaccessible in the physical world. Education can be revolutionized, with students exploring the depths of space or the intricacies of the human body firsthand, rather than just reading about them. Yet, it's important to remember, the Metaverse, like the physical world, is shaped by its inhabitants. It's up to us to ensure it becomes a space that fosters creativity, inclusivity, and respect. In the Metaverse, the only limit is your imagination. The Metaverse isn't just about gaming or virtual reality. It's about redefining our society. As we delve deeper into this digital realm, we're confronted with a new reality, one that could revolutionize various aspects of our society, from education to work, to social interactions, and beyond. Picture this, a classroom without borders, where students from all corners of the globe come together in a shared virtual space. The Metaverse could make this possible, enabling access to education beyond geographical and socio-economic boundaries. It's not just school children who stand to benefit. Professionals could also engage in continuous learning, honing their skills in realistic simulated environments. Now think about the world of work. The Metaverse could redefine the traditional office, rendering commutes obsolete. Instead of being confined to a physical location, employees could collaborate in virtual spaces, enhancing productivity and fostering a sense of community despite geographical dispersion. But it's not all work and no play. The Metaverse could also redefine social interactions. Imagine attending a concert with friends half a world away, or exploring virtual art galleries from the comfort of your living room. The possibilities are as limitless as the virtual universe itself. Yet, as with any leap forward, the Metaverse presents its own set of challenges and ethical implications. Questions of data privacy, digital identity, and the blurring of lines between reality and the virtual world are just the tip of the iceberg. We must also consider the potential for digital exclusion, a new form of inequality where those without the means to access the Metaverse are left behind. We're standing on the brink of an exciting new era, one that could transform the fabric of our society. The Metaverse could be the next step in human evolution, but it's not without its potential pitfalls. As we journey into this brave new world, it's crucial that we navigate with caution, ensuring that the Metaverse serves to unify rather than divide our global community. The youth of today are the pioneers of the Metaverse. Navigating this new frontier with ease, armed with an inherent fluency in technology, they are the trailblazers, mapping out this digital landscape and setting the pace for the rest of us to follow. Young people have always been at the forefront of technological advancement. From the early days of the internet to the rise of social media, they have shown an uncanny ability to adapt and innovate. The metaverse is no different. These digital natives are not just users, but creators, actively shaping the metaverse with their ideas, creativity, and engagement. But let's not forget that the metaverse is not a one-size-fits-all reality. It is a diverse and inclusive space that reflects the diversity of its inhabitants. Different demographics will have different ways of interacting with this new world. For some, it might be a platform for social interaction and entertainment. For others, it could be a tool for education or a space to explore their creativity. It's fascinating to see how different age groups engage with the metaverse. While younger users might be more inclined to use it for gaming or socializing, older users might find value in its potential for remote work or virtual tourism. And then, there are the tech-savvy middle-aged users who see the metaverse as a new frontier for business and entrepreneurship. Similarly, geographical demographics also play a role. Users from technologically advanced regions might have easier access and be more comfortable navigating the metaverse, while those from less tech-savvy areas might face challenges. But as the metaverse expands and evolves, we can hope for a more level playing field, bridging the digital divide. Regardless of age, nationality, or background, everyone has a place in the metaverse. It's a world where the only limit is your imagination. So whether you're a digital native or a digital immigrant, there's a corner of the metaverse waiting for you to explore. The metaverse is a world for everyone, but it's the youth who are leading the way. Politics in the metaverse? It's not as far-fetched as you might think. As we delve further into this new digital realm, we start to see its potential for revolutionizing various aspects of our life, politics being no exception. Imagine a world where political campaigns are conducted in an immersive 3D environment, where politicians can interact with constituents in real time, regardless of geographical boundaries. A virtual town hall meeting, where you can express your views and concerns directly to your representative, all from the comfort of your living room. But it's not just about campaigning. The metaverse could also change the way we vote. Traditional voting requires physical presence, and that can be a barrier for some. But in the metaverse, distance and time no longer matter. Decentralized and secure voting systems could be built, ensuring everyone's voice is heard, no matter where they are. This could potentially increase voter turnout, fostering a more representative democracy. It could also help in reaching out to younger demographics who are often underrepresented in political processes. With the metaverse being second nature to them, they might feel more engaged and more inclined to participate in political affairs. However, it's not all rosy. With the advent of this new political landscape, we must also be prepared to face new challenges. Cybersecurity becomes even more crucial, considering the sensitive nature of political activities. Misinformation could spread even more rapidly in the immersive environment of the metaverse, making it harder to combat. And there's the risk of further deepening the digital divide, leaving those without access to the metaverse on the sidelines. Despite these challenges, the potential of the metaverse in reshaping politics is undeniable. It's an exciting prospect, one that could bring politics closer to people, making it more accessible, interactive, and inclusive. In the metaverse, politics could take on a whole new dimension. The traditional political landscape as we know it could be on the brink of a digital revolution, and we are here on the precipice, ready to dive into this new world of possibilities. So what does the future hold for the metaverse? This question hangs in the air as we contemplate the untapped potential of this digital universe. Drawing from our journey through this video, we've seen the metaverse reshape our understanding of reality, society, and even politics. It has opened doors for the youth and has been molded by diverse demographics across the globe. The path forward, however, isn't without obstacles. Technological hurdles, like bandwidth limitations and data privacy concerns, stand in the way. Yet the promise of a more interconnected world, where physical boundaries become irrelevant, is too compelling to ignore. The potential for further development is immense. Imagine a world where our digital and physical realities are so seamlessly intertwined, they become indistinguishable. This is the promise of the metaverse. The metaverse is more than just a trend, it's a glimpse into a future that is more interconnected, immersive, and imaginative than ever before.